Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be making a Kenyan favorite, that is uji or wimbi, or rather the finger millet porridge. It's not only healthy and filling, but it's also perfect for breakfast or as a light dinner. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is pour 4 cups of water in your cooking pot. And then you want to bring it to a boil. And as we wait for our water to boil, let's go and make our flour mixture. So I'm using this flour. This is the wimbi flour, or rather the finger millet flour. So add half a cup of water into your bowl. And then you want to go in with 4 heaped tablespoons of the flour. Mix well until you have an uniform mixture. Okay, I prefer using my whisk. It's easier and gives me a lump-free mixture. As you can see, this is so good. At this point, our water is boiling, so let me just go in with our mixture. Just add in. And then as you add, just continue stirring until it boils. So at the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you my grandma's secret that make this uji even more delicious. So make sure that you stay tuned to the end. Now this is perfect. So we're going to be leaving our uji to simmer for 10 to 15 minutes in low heat. We don't want to burn our porridge. So at this point, our porridge is ready. So just go in with your sugar, that is if you like to sweeten your porridge. If you don't like it, then leave it. There are people also who prefer using butter. At this point, you can add it. And so at this point, guys, our uji is ready. Just pour it in your bowl. It's better hot, especially in this cold weather. I just went in with lemon, just like my grandma taught me. I mix it so delicious, and I really love it. I hope you're going to try this trick and come back with the results. Come tell me what you felt. So guys, it's time to taste. Wow, and this is amazing. And guys, for another tip, I normally add my lemon when my uji is ready. I don't want to cook my vitamin C's. Bye bye.